Right. Yeah. Mm. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Hmm. Yeah. Yeah. We've Yeah. No, I was gonna say we had one last year, which I mean the odd one. I think about 3 or 4 of the payments of the agreement were recollected from us. But we don't have many. And like you say, if one bounces, then it just gets taken next time. So yeah, 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 yeah. Mainly businesses, but it does vary, to be honest. To be honest. Yeah, yeah, yeah. We do. Yeah, we do. So that's. I mean, it's 6 and 2 threes, but we have we kind of go A101 or A102. So yeah, 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 yeah. Easy enough. Okay. Mm. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Fair dues. Cool. Easy. Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Fantastic. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Lovely. Yeah. 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 Mhm. Yeah. Lovely. Yeah. 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 Fantastic. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. 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 Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Mm. Yeah. Mhm. Yeah. 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 Ah, fantastic. That's good. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Mm. Great. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. 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 Great. Lovely. Yeah.
Is it junior or senior? Right.
Yeah. Yeah. Great. That's good.
Change all your company names.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fantastic.
Right, okay. What sort of card is it then?
Right. Definitely.
You got a little card on the pen, please?
Yeah. Yeah. No, I understand that. Yeah. 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 Great. Well, I've got. I think I've got 3 or 4 I've held off on doing premium credit through. So I can get. Yeah. I mean, we're okay for cash flow at the moment, so it's kind of just there's not any rush, to be honest.
7.
Yeah. Brilliant. Right. Yeah. Excellent. Yeah. It's Tait, T-A-I-T. I've emailed you. I emailed you back, guy.
Okay, Kevin. Okay, thank you.
Great.
Bye.
Lovely. Nice one. There's well, couple of questions really, couple of thoughts. So there's, I think I mentioned it to Chris in an email. I might have sent you an email as well. But there's a small practice who's local to us that we're in discussions of. Obviously, that's what I spoke to Chris about. He uses Ochard Funding at the moment. So in terms of the kind of I don't know if it would be worth doing, but the data that he's got, so the clients that he's got who's currently on premium credit, would we be able to kind of extract that data? Obviously, once we signed, if we sign the contracts, to kind of transfer them over. Yeah.
Yeah.
Right. Yeah, makes sense. Yeah. 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 Okie doke. Yeah. Yeah. Exactly. Yeah. 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 Fantastic. So that's I think that pretty much boxed off. Obviously, I'll speak to you as soon as possible about the working capital and how that works. You know, what kind of terms and everything others get. But another question I was going to ask. So Jonathan and I are currently in the process of best way to explain it. Obviously, Surtax is a franchise. So we are in the process of acquiring the franchise, so we'll become the franchisor. So couple of thoughts I've got in my business plan is to be able to offer Ochard Funding to any new prospective franchisees. Now, obviously, I know that Ochard Funding generally asks because it's a sort of recall.